tool name. A to Z. A for axe. B for bolt. C for clipper. D for drill. E for edge tool. F for file tool. G for gear. H for hammer. I for icebreaker. J for jigsaw. K for knife. L for lathe. M for measure tape. N for nut. O for oil filter wrench. P for poker. Q for quarter-inch socket. R for rivet. S for screw gauge. T for tape measure. U for utility knife. V for vise. W for washer. X for X-Acto knife. Y for Yankee drill. Z for zip tie. Thank you.